It's the smallest waterfall in Jamaica.
Just where it is.
Out of nowhere.
You only big. I remember last time.
Me get one, you want me get sweet?
Take your time, no go further down this up. Grow on more. Let me go see if me get none.
Except for me born is the biggest coconut them, you see, like an agriculture coconut them.
Agriculture.
3 year coconut then. 3 year coconut.
No man, a plant, no man can plant. What you hear, you know?
Good clap,
Over there, so. Then like so also.
You say you have peas, you have corn, you have yam, you have everything.
Church over. Alex!
Yankee one truck and they will just go straight down there. Yankee one truck and
I will just, I know.
Hold dog, hold dog. Oh, they not no teeth. Rubber teeth. Alright, dog, they not no teeth. Simbe. Simbe. Say they not no teeth.
You better play with them. Me now walk there, so the dog.
Dog.
You afraid of dog? Me no teeth though.
The man say they not no teeth.
Me never tell you so.
It's a whole bucket of mango.
Well, no, man. We
Feel
have to,
control by bucket.
we have to do documentary.
Oh, church today, auntie that is.
Good boy.
Ooh.
And that you still play motor gun. Come here, look for Bertie.
There is more?
And when me look at Chuck. When me look for it.
Hold on your hand, holy low.
Holy
What
Lord.
item by Mabel Ellis? We say
Holy Lord.
motor gun up here so today.
You see they come here with them different one, hey?
I will get them there.
Mango.
Them one they tell them from down Miss Market today.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Thank
Alex,
you,
lift up this. You want to give me no load. You're supposed to lift up no load. Take this on me.
Now you want it together.
There's more.
There's
man.
more?
Only Vincent and them,
Okay.
hey?
Oh.
Okay. So we go throw them in there too.
Throw them in.
Come here, go
Let
ahead.
me throw them in there.
But I make it go down low there trade them.
For me and I pick out that number one in there.
No, boss. Look for boss.
No, you could do it to them out.
I love so they can't believe say. Mango read. Then come see my auntie that today. We say I daily day.
Auntie that you can't wait to...
Them
Those
see
not
mango
good.
pan road.
That's good enough.
It's alright. Until that one they don't find
Oh,
some.
jeez.
They come see mango par road where they
The
never
man
see.
that said, hold it, hold
What
it.
a piece of luxury.
You want me friend from Antigua be when him a come here, him and the boy, they say they not sit down in the front there. And them and them sit down in the back way, man. Go there.
They catch up be no left.
Eat as well.
When they catch up to go be anti that
Them
no.
banana, here you go, but
Here is so wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Alex,
Country lifestyle, eh?
tie the bag and put it on your head.
No, you can't tie.
Me not lift up no board. Thank you very much.
Thank you much. Rain is coming down.
I told them all. I told them.
At that house, I remember, you know.
You may buy house.
Yeah, but the hill used to be much more
I used to come around there.
steeper,
Because you were smaller.
smaller.
Yeah, let me collect it.
Thanks much, Auntie Datty. You know, say no rain and fall. That's okay. Ah!